over my fingers, lift, let all this baseline hair drop out. This is our haircut. We want all that baseline hair to drop out. And now what you're going to do is point cut these edges off a bit. Just point them away and let it fall. So now the hair will swing in so many different ways. Now I'm going to do that also with the hair on the top. Take the hair, over-direct it back, lift it up high, have all this hair drop out, because that's our baseline of our haircut, and just slightly pointing. Don't go in here and take your whole haircut away. All you want to do is just check off that top hair. So you could see that I'm maintaining my outline shape here. I'm maintaining all this. I'm not cutting into this. All I'm doing is taking my top hair. That's a better view. Taking my top hair, lift, let this all drop out, and just lightly point through. So this way, no matter which way the hair falls, you'll maintain that graduation. Working from the base of the occipital bone to the point of the chin or lower than the chin, wherever you want it to fall. The idea is to create a very strong, clean, classic look. You want your graduation in the back to look round. You don't want to step. That was a fun haircut to do together today. What do you think, guys? Yeah? So basically, let's do a little bit of a recap. I started with my sections. Vertical, small section right under the occipital bone. I started to pivot my sections, one section slightly higher than the other, until I came out horizontal. The next thing I did is I took my sections all the way across, not forgetting to work your side panel first. Work the side in, because that is the most important. People always take this and over-direct it back, and this all disappears. The importance of making sure that you blow dry it really clean. Same on the other side. Our sectioning pattern started in the center, and my fingers pivoted out until eventually they became horizontal, and you zoom right across to one length. That's basically how this haircut works. It pivots, your 45 degrees out turns into a horizontal, which is basically about 3 fingers from the head, and then one length. So your finish is done. There's 3 parts. First do all your sectioning pattern. The next thing you do is you do it all wet. You do all your sections wet. And the next thing is the importance of finishing this haircut off when it's dry. I can't emphasize that enough. What's going to make or break your haircut is if you do a great finish and check it off.